welcome to GISE Pathshala, grade 6 geography, and our chapter is the earth in the solar system. The earth in the solar system. See, we have seen in the last video lectures, previous video lectures, we have learned and we have discussed something about the constellations also, planets also, solar system also. Now today we are going to see something about the planets in detail. Now see, as you know, sun is a star. Sun is in the center of the solar system. Sun is a star and sun is in the center of the solar system. And sun is the main source of heat and light. Sun is the main source of heat and light for the planets. Sun is the main source of heat and light. And the sun is made up of hot gases. Why we feel heat of sun? Because sun is made up of hot gases. But sun is how much far away? Sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Sun is 150 million kilometers away from the earth. So we feel the heat, but too much heat we are not feeling. Now we want to learn about the planet. How many planets are there? As you know, 8 planets are there. 8 planets are there and sun is in the center of the solar system. Sun and the 8 planets, other celestial bodies and satellites and all together form the solar system. All together forms the solar system. Now see the names of planets. As you know, in previous class also you learn about that. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets and these the names are written according to the distance from sun. The names are written according to the distance from sun. Now you see one line is there. Now you think how we should remember the name according to the distance. As we know, Uranus, Neptune, like that. But according to distance wise you want to remember. Then see one common simple line is there. See, my very efficient mother just served us nuts or noodles. Whatever thing you like, you can remember. See now, from my M for Mercury, very, P for Venus, efficient, E for Earth, mother, Mars, M for Mars, Jupiter, just, J for Jupiter, South, S for Saturn, us, U for Uranus, nuts or noodles. But I know mostly you are liking noodles very much, so you can remember nuts or noodles, whatever. And both the N are for Neptune. See now, this is the line, my very efficient mother just served us nuts or noodles. See the first letter of each word is according to the name of the planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. See like this you can remember the name of the planets. Now planets move in their fixed path known as orbit. Planet moves in the fixed path known as orbit. Now you know that Earth is a planet. Earth is rotating on its own axis and Earth is revolving around the sun. So all the planets are revolving around the sun. All the planets are revolving around the sun. Now what is the orbit? Orbit in simple language, there is one fixed path. उनका एक रास्ता है, वो वही रास्ते पे गोल घूमते हैं, वही रास्ते पे चलते हैं. They are not changing the path. So that is a simple way. The one fixed path is there. On that path only the planets are moving, revolving around the sun. Suppose you have noticed any sports activity, the running athletes are there, they all are running. So suppose this is the sports ground. Ground is there. Suppose see here all the other persons are sitting and all these things are there. And suppose the athletes are there, running is there. So 100-meter running or like that is this. So like this the tracks are there. Like this the tracks are there, and in this track the places are there. On this track the runners are standing, athletes are standing, and they are running in the track only. They are not going here and there. On the same track they are running. Anytime in any sports activity you can see on the TV that the sports athletes are running on the same track. The tracks are given. Suppose in school also we are doing a sports day, we are making the tracks, and on that track only you have to run for any competition. Now different planets take different time to complete the revolution around the sun. Now you can see that this is the sun and these all are the planets are there. See Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. See now you can notice that they are having their own orbit, own path is there. See, these are the orbits. The orbits are in the oval shape. Each planet is having the orbit in the oval shape. So like this, all the planets are revolving around the sun in the fixed path, and that fixed path is known as the orbit. And different planet takes different time to complete revolution around the sun. The planets are moving around the sun, that is known as revolution, and each planet takes different time to complete the revolution around the sun. And see in the figure also it is given each and every planet has its own orbit. See now this. Now we will see about the planets. One orbit around the sun. See means they are revolving around the sun. How much time one planet is taking, and one spin on its axis means the planets are moving on its axis also like this. The same place, and like this they are moving around the sun also. So around the sun, how much time each planet is taking, and on moving on its own axis, how much time each planet is taking, that we have to see. And the moons means the satellite of the earth is moon, like that other planets are also having the moon. So how many moons are there, that also we can see. Now see Mercury, one orbit around the sun. So moving around the sun, for moving around the sun, how much time Mercury is taking? 88 days. And on its own axis, the Mercury is taking the time 59 days. And Mercury is having no moon. After that Venus, 255 days around the sun. It will take 259 days around the sun and 243 days on its own axis, and it is also not having any moon. After that Earth. See, Earth is taking 365 days time for moving around the sun, and one day means 24-hour time Earth is taking on its own axis, moving around on its own axis, and Earth is having one moon. Now Mars is taking 687 days to moving around the sun, one orbit, to complete one orbit, and for its own axis it is taking one day, and Mars is having two moons. See, like Earth, from Earth we can see one moon, from Mars, if you are on Mars you can see two moons. Like that, Jupiter will take 11 years and 11 months, means about 12 years time to moving around the sun, and 9 hours and 56 minutes on its orbit, and it is having 79 moons. After that Saturn is taking 29 years and 5 months time for moving around the sun, and on its own axis it is taking time 10 hours and 40 minutes, and it is having 62 moons. After that Uranus will take 84 years for moving around the sun, and it will take 17 hours and 14 minute time for moving on its own axis, and it is having 27 moons. After that Neptune is taking 164 years time for moving around the sun for revolution, and it will take 16 hours and 7 minute time for moving on its own axis, completing one round on its own axis, and Neptune is having 14 moons. See, in your book some data is given, old data, and this is the current data according to new survey and all the things, so it might be somewhere it is different, so don't feel it is wrong. It is according to the current data I have written. So now you can understand this. See, one orbit around sun means the planets are revolving around the sun, and how much time each planet is taking for completing one round around the sun. One spin on axis means planet is moving like this on its own axis, so how much time it will take to complete one round, that is spin on axis, and these are the number of moon. Now we will see some interesting facts about planets. See, Mercury is nearest planet to sun, yet it is not hottest planet. See, Mercury is near to sun. Mercury is near to sun, but it is not counted as the hottest planet because on Mercury there is no atmosphere. See, suppose atmosphere means the layer of gases around the earth. On the earth atmosphere is there. Atmosphere means the layer of gases around the earth. So on Mercury no gases is there, so heat is coming and passing on, going on. So the heat is not Mercury is not counted as the hottest planet, yet it is near to the Sun. Now second thing, Venus is considered to be Earth's twin. See, Venus is considered to be the Earth twin. Why? On the same day, the both are having the birth date? No, it is not like that. From the shape and size, certain things are same. Twin means हम बोलते हैं ना जोड़िए बच्चे जोड़िए ऐसा like that. So twin means Venus is considered to be the Earth's twin. Why? Because some of the facts, some of the things are similar because of the similarity. See, suppose Earth is taking through 365 days for moving around the Sun. Like that, Venus is taking 255 days or like that. So little bit gap is there. Some of the similarities are there. Sorry. In August 2006, International Astronomical Union declared Pluto as dwarf planet. See, till 2016, Pluto was also considered as a planet. We were saying when we were small, when we studied about the solar system, we were saying that 9 planets are there. But in your studies after 2006, it is coming like that. We are having 8 planets in solar system. Why? Because the International Astronomical Union, this union is working and doing continuous studies, research related to all the space and all the celestial bodies, planets and all the things. So what they found that some of the things are not like planet in the Pluto and it is counted as other celestial bodies, not as a planet. So they declared Pluto as a dwarf planet from 2006. After that, Jupiter, Saturn and Neptune have rings around them. See, Jupiter, Saturn and Neptune have rings around them. See, this type of rings are around them. So these are some of the facts about the planets. Now in the next video lecture, we are going to learn something about our own planet Earth. Thank you.